This is Project Mercer, an E.C.D custom Range Rover Classic. Mercer is painted in full gloss Epsom green with black accents all round. Mercer sits on 20-inch Cairn Mondale wheels with Pirelli Scorpion Zero tyres. This Range Rover features a black front grille, 2 LED lights and OEM side steps. A rather unique feature of this RRC is the Brooklands body kit, consisting of an additional front spoiler and rear valance, which gives a more sporty, aggressive look on this Range Rover. Inside, Mercer features a Land Rover steering wheel wrapped in sandpiper, E.C.D custom RRC gauges, 2 original captain front seats and the 60/40 split mid-row. Each seat is wrapped in a single vertical diamond Garrett Espresso leather stitched together in tan. Project Mercer is a powerhouse. It's powered by a LT4 650 horsepower engine with 8-speed automatic transmission. This RRC also features the usual E.C.D array of modern elements such as Alpine floating halo screen with Apple CarPlay, wireless charging and access to USB ports. For me, the main feature of this vehicle is the incredible drivetrain. This Range Rover now has more horsepower and torque than a brand new supercharged version. It flies along the road as a Range Rover should, but looks as good standing still as it does hitting 60 in 5 seconds.